Already you discussed equilibrium points. Now we have to focus that trajectories and phase plane diagram. So plane, we already know that we have to take xy plane which has 4 quadrants, and this is called phase plane of the coupled differential equation. Coupled differential equation means already you know that in equilibrium points we have to take dx by dt is equal to y and dy by dt is equal to minus x. Okay, minus x means we know that x axis has two directions, positive x axis and negative x axis. So dy by dt is equal to negative x and dx by dt is equal to positive y. Positive y axis means positive y or negative y, it's positive y. Let the xy plane which has 4 quadrants, this is called phase plane of the coupled differential equation. How? Let's take brief description. In first quadrant, we know that x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Always obvious because of first quadrant is x positive and y positive. And we have given in equilibrium point that dx by dt is equal to y means positive greater than 0. dy by dt is equal to minus x means less than 0. Since dx by dt greater than 0, why? Because y is greater than 0, so dx by dt is greater than 0 and x of t is increasing. We know that when the function is increasing, when the derivative is positive. So since dx by dt greater than 0, so x of t, why? Now since dx by dt, that means x is differentiation with respect to time t, so x is obvious a function of t or a equation of t. So x of t is increasing because of y is positive. Dx by dt is equal to y is greater than 0 means y positive or dx by dt positive. Also we have given dy by dt is equal to minus x. So dy by dt minus x means less than 0, and since dy by dt and obviously y is a equation of t, so y of t is decreasing. So what is the meaning of dx by dt? That is rate of change of x with respect to time t. What is the meaning of dy by dt? Rate of change of y with respect to time t. So let us see, change of x means change of x is greater than 0 means y is positive. Dx by dt is equal to y is positive. So change of x is y which is positive. So change of x means positive x to negative x. Why? Because we have to take clockwise. According to concept we have to take clockwise. So positive x to negative x, this is positive x to negative x gives y means positive y. So dx by dt greater than 0. Also dy by dt less than 0 means change of y less than 0. Let us see, change of y means positive y to negative y gives negative x. So dy by dt less than 0. Let us see again the figure. Change of y, dy by dt means rate of change of y means positive y to negative y. It is positive y, it is negative y. Rate of change of positive y to negative y gives us negative x, where we see that dy by dt is equal to minus x, so less than 0, y of t is decreasing. The arrow mark symbol take us clockwise direction. According to concept, we cannot give anti-clockwise. So we find a direction vector for each solution in that quadrant by given arrow mark. And this solution called phase plane trajectories, and trajectory moves in clockwise direction. So here concept is given, we have to take clockwise direction.